Are you struggling with erectile dysfunction and high blood pressure? In this video, we are going to look at how to fix naturally, that is erectile dysfunction and high blood pressure. At the end of this video, if you find this discussion helpful, please don't hesitate to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Well, for us to deal with erectile dysfunction and high blood pressure, we first of all need to know what is erectile dysfunction and what is high blood pressure and their causes. So let's begin by looking at erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, as discussed from my previous videos, refers to the inability to achieve and maintain erection long enough to allow for sexual intercourse. Before we proceed with the major causes of erectile dysfunction, you need to know that arousal in men is a complex process. So it involves things such as nerves, muscles, the brain, and the blood vessels. Interference with any of the mentioned things normally causes erectile dysfunction in men. You also need to know that stress and mental health can accelerate erectile dysfunction. Other causes of erectile dysfunction include number 1, medication. Number 2, drinking too much alcohol. Another one is poor blood circulation. Then you actually need to understand the physical causes of erectile dysfunction. Include number 1, heart diseases. Number 2 is clogged blood vessels, that is due to arteriosclerosis. Then another cause is high blood pressure. Before we go to fixing erectile dysfunction and blood pressure naturally, let's begin by looking at the blood pressure itself. How does it occur? So blood pressure normally occurs when the force of blood against the walls of the arteries is too high. Now, the severe health effects that are associated with the high blood pressure includes kidney failure, stroke, and also heart diseases. High blood pressure affects the rectal function because it affects the general circulation of blood and also the health of the vascular system. High blood pressure causes damage to blood vessels. So this causes these blood vessels to harden and also to narrow. So this affects the blood flow through the blood veins or vessels. This one in turn affects the blood flowing through the rectal region. So that means that it can affect erection. So high blood pressure causes erectile dysfunction. Let us look at the top 5 foods that we can use to combat erectile dysfunction and high blood pressure naturally. So number 1 is berries. So there are 3 major varieties of berries that are known to combat erectile dysfunction and high blood pressure. That is blueberry, raspberry, and also strawberry. So how do they work? Berries normally contain antioxidants. Flavonoids contained in berries normally assist in reducing blood pressure. Higher frequency of consumption of berries is associated with improved blood circulation and general heart health. That is according to the Nutrition and Dietetics Academy that was carried in 2016. The antioxidants that are found in berries are also important in promoting nitric oxide production. Now, up to now, you understand the importance of nitric oxide. I have just discussed the importance of nitric oxide in previous videos. So nitric oxide normally helps in the relaxation of the blood vessels. So in the process, it allows vasodilation. So this allows free circulation of the blood. So that means that blood can flow freely to the rectal region, and therefore this one promotes erection. Now, the next on the list is leafy greens. Leafy greens, in this case, we are referring to kales and spinach. Kales and spinach are rich in nitrates. Now, in the previous videos, we have just said that nitrates can be converted into nitric oxide. Now, the importance of nitric oxide is to allow the blood vessels to relax. When the blood vessels relax, they undergo what we call vasodilation. So, when they vasodilate, they allow free flow or free blood circulation. Now, free circulation of blood is what reduces blood pressure. Now, when blood flows freely through the penis, that means it can allow for erection. That means that leafy greens are important in promoting erection and also on reducing blood pressure. A study in British Journal of 2018, Clinical Pharmacology, clearly highlights the importance of consuming these leafy greens. According to the journal, consumption of leafy greens has got a positive impact on the endothelial lining of blood vessels. So it allows for vasodilation of blood vessels, which in turn reduces blood pressure and improves on erectile dysfunction. Next on the list is beetroot. Beetroot is another food that is rich in nitrates. Now, nitrates can be converted into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide allows relaxation of blood vessels, hence vasodilation. So this vasodilation reduces blood pressure and also allows free circulation of blood. Vasodilation has a positive impact on erection. That means that they can help to improve on erection. Next is fatty fish. Fatty fish such as the mackerel, sardines and salmon are known to contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a very important component in the circulatory system in that they promote the general health of cardiovascular system and blood circulation. A study by Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics shows that consumption of omega-3 fatty acids has got a greater impact, that is a positive impact on the general heart health and also reduction of hypertension. Next on the list is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially the one with high cocoa content, contains a lot of flavonoids. Now, the role of flavonoids is to help the body in the production of nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide, we have already explained its role. That is to allow for vasodilation. That it allows for vasodilation by allowing the smooth muscles in the veins to relax. So when the smooth muscles are in the veins relax, this allows for free movement and circulation of blood. Now, we know that free circulation of blood can reduce blood pressure and also has a positive impact on erection. A study in the Journal of Nutrition of 2020 suggests that moderate consumption of dark chocolate helps in promoting the general health of your cardiovascular system. So this allows for general blood flow and reduces oxidative stress. This promotes general blood flow and reduces oxidative stress, hence positive impact on erection. The last factor that I want us to look at is aerobic exercises. So all of them have a positive impact on erectile dysfunction and also reduction on blood pressure. Erectile dysfunction is the inability to achieve and maintain an erection long enough to allow for sexual intercourse. Major causes of erectile dysfunction. Male sexual arousal is a complete process. It often involves brain, nerves, emotions, blood vessels, and muscles. Interference with any of the above can cause erectile dysfunction. Stress and mental health can cause or worsen erectile dysfunction. Other causes of erectile dysfunction include drinking too much alcohol, medication, chronic illness, poor blood flow to the penis. Physical causes of erectile dysfunction include heart diseases, clogged blood vessels, high blood cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity. High blood pressure. It occurs when the force of the blood against the arterial wall is consistently too high. Severe health problems associated with high blood pressure include kidney failure, stroke, heart disease. High blood pressure affects erectile function because it affects blood flow and vascular health. High blood pressure damages blood vessels, causing them to harden and narrow. This reduces blood flow to various parts of the body, including the rectal region, making it difficult to achieve and maintain an erection. Top 5 foods to include in our diet, that is berries. The variety includes strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Berries contain antioxidants which help to remove inflammation and oxidative stress, which are the principal causes of erectile dysfunction and diseases of cardiovascular system. Flavonoids contained in berries reduce blood pressure and support the overall function of blood vessels. Regular consumption of red berries is associated with improved heart health and reduced risk of hypertension. A study by Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics in 2016, that is, antioxidants in berries also help in promoting nitric oxide production, which helps in promoting blood circulation. Leafy greens, they include spinach and kales. They are rich in nitrates. Nitrates can be converted into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps in reducing blood pressure and also promoting erection. A study in British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology in 2018 highlights the benefit of consuming foods rich in nitrates in improving cardiovascular health and erectile dysfunction. According to the study, consuming leafy greens can lead to great improvement in endothelial functions and reduction in blood pressure, as well as improving erection. Next is beetroot. It is rich in nitrates, which the body can convert into nitric oxide. This makes beetroot good for improving blood flow and lowering pressure. Nitric oxide promotes vasodilation, lowering blood pressure and promoting erection. A study in 2017 illustrates that regular consumption of beetroot juice significantly reduced blood pressure in participants. Number 4 is fatty acids. Some fish such as Number 4 is fatty fish. Some fish such as mackerel, salmon, and sardines are known to contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to improve cardiovascular health and erection. A study by Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics showed that omega-3 fatty acids reduce hypertension and improve general heart health and blood circulation, hence positive impact on erectile dysfunction. Dark chocolate, especially the one with high cocoa content, is rich in flavonoids. Flavonoids improve endothelial function, increasing production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide enhances blood flow by allowing smooth muscles to relax. This enhances blood flow and reduces blood pressure. This promotes cardiovascular health and erectile function. A study in the Journal of Nutrition in 2020 found that moderate consumption of dark chocolate helps to improve blood vessel elasticity and stiffness, and hence positive impact on general cardiovascular health. This impact promotes general blood flow and reduces oxidative stress, hence positive impact on erection. Aerobic exercises. They promote blood circulation. All of them reduce blood pressure and improve on erectile dysfunction. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe.